If you've been following my channel for a while, you might remember this 3 years ago. I do like this odd and distinctive stuff, and I love F-14s. Well, this is the fatty F-14 from readytofly.com. Now, this comes originally as a pusher. There would have been a motor on the back with a big prop and a retractable landing gear, actually, but I took out the pusher configuration quite quickly and converted to their twin EDF system, which works a lot better. I think originally we found that on the pusher configuration, the prop that was optimum for the motor, when you rotated to take off, the prop would catch on the ground. And sometimes it would just roll or somersault on the ground and not take off at all. But this works a lot better, and we just flew a minute ago, and it in this wind it goes off really easily. Combined with taking the retracts out, it's a lot lighter. Anyway, let's give it a go. I really enjoyed this. You thought it was mildly terrifying, didn't you, Nick?
Well, yeah, I had to control it whilst you threw it.
That's right, I threw it and you were on the sticks. But I love how it flies. Here we go, anyway. Wait for this good bit of wind. That's half throttle. Brilliant.
Much more leery than the first flight.
Last fast pass and we'll land. Oh, fantastic. There you go. Readytofly.com fatty F-14. Fantastic. And they still sell it with the EDF conversion kit. Look at link in the video description and pinned comment. Look up the price for it. But I love this. I think it's quite different and flies really well, even in a really gusty, windy day like today. Thanks to Nick on camera. Be back soon on Essential RC. Bye. Cool.
Much more leery than the first flight.
Oh.